Greetings, Benjamin J. from BENZTRAINZ with another in the series. Well, I had a lot of feedback from that video on converting front wheels to rear wheels for Marx motors. Anyway, so I thought I'd do a real-time video of what it takes to actually do this. It's really straightforward and simple. So anyway, I'm at the drill press. So what I do is just put the wheel across the vise and drop a Allen wrench into it. As you see, push down on the Allen wrench and tighten the vise. It won't lock the wheel in position, but it'll keep it from spinning as the drill goes through it. So I'm going to add a couple of drops of naphtha. And we're going to drill a hole. This is a number 42 drill. We're going to drill all the way through it. This hole should come out right next to the axle. Alright, remove the wheel, and as you see, you have a hole in almost the exact perfect position. So now, let me move the camera. We're going to transfer the wheel, and we are going to tap that hole. We're going to tap this 440. Now I've got some Lionel bolts, wheel bolts, off a Lionel locomotive. So these are approximately 440. So I'm going to tap that hole 440 and see how these look. So I'm going to use our tap. We've got a 440 tap, good sharp, fairly new tap. Another couple drops of naphtha. And we start this into this hole. And the deeper you go, the harder it gets, of course. Almost out the other side. Alright, and we're all the way through. So we'll remove the tap. Blow out the debris, and let's see if this will fit. And as you see, you can put now any push rod you want on there just by loosening the screw, putting on the push rod, and putting the screw back in. And this has a shoulder, so it actually tightens down to a shoulder, which leaves you perfect space for the push rod itself. So it's an expedient. It works. It's a great way to convert a front wheel into a rear wheel, and in this case, as you see, the result is actually quite pleasant. Put a push rod on that, two matching wheels, one on either side. This would look like it came out of the factory. No one would ever know that you did this as a modification to a front wheel. So anyway, I just wanted to do a quick video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.